for selecting product manually to your pop-up, simply select manual selection from here. And from here, you will be able to see the list of products you have available in your Woocommerce website. Okay, you can see that this is all the product we have available in our website. So simply, you can also search from here. Suppose I want to add a toys. Let me search here. My toy's name is Mr. Potato. So simply, I'm typing here Mr. And you can see that we have the product here. And if you want to add this product to the pop-up, then simply click on this. Okay, and you can see that this product goes to the right side of the screen. Okay, and this means that this have successfully added to our pop-up. Okay, so let me just select product from specific categories. So let me just filter from here. You can filter the product from here. Simply from here, click on this all categories and you will see the drop down list of your product categories. And from here, let me select toys. Okay, and you will be able to see all the products related with toys. Let me just remove this from search. Okay, and you can see that here are all the products available related to toys in our website. So let me just add all of this to my pop-up. So simply click one by one. You can see that I have successfully added all the products to my pop-up manually. And simply scroll up, and from here click on update, and let's open this link in new tab, view product, and simply click on add to cart from here. And you can see that we have all the products available here that we have selected manually.